Hello, this is just a reminder. Our virtual meetings are held in Blackboard Collaborate on Tuesdays from 10 to 12 and Thursdays 1 to 3. I strongly encourage you to participate. For CKCs or comprehensive knowledge checks, your first one will be Saturday, February the 5th. And it will be due Tuesday, February the 8th at 11:59 p.m. It is not necessary to study for a CKC, but if you would like to review your learned topics, you may do so by using the review option in Aleks. Go to the menu and click Review. Working in review will not impact the number of topics in your PI. Also remember that you must have a webcam and a photo ID in order to take the comprehensive knowledge check. You will be prompted to download the Aleks lockdown browser. If you would like to download the lockdown browser and check your webcam prior to opening CKC1, visit the CKC info button in eCampus. Remember that there are no extensions for technical difficulties and no Chromebooks are allowed. Please take advantage of the opportunity to download the lockdown browser and test the lockdown browser and your webcam before attempting to take CKC1. If you are not able to download the lockdown browser and you don't have a webcam, you will need to take your CKC on campus either Saturday, Monday, or Tuesday in the Math Resource Center or the Tutoring Center. Please see your eCampus for dates and times. Once you begin working on CKC1, you are not able to do any other work in Aleks until you have finished. Your Aleks gradebook will update with your score for CKC1 on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Please let me know if you have any questions.